Welcome. In front of me I have Huawei Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be focus icon. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to tap on focus. Oh, my bad. Focus right here. And once you open the focus menu, you will have the Do Not Disturb mode and sleep. We are interested in Do Not Disturb mode, so tap on Do Not Disturb mode, tap on the check mark, and the Do Not Disturb mode will be enabled. You can tell by the focus icon changing to Do Not Disturb mode, the icon changing the color as well, and if you go to the watch face, on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here at the top. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, you open the quick panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon, tap on it right here, and the mode will be disabled. And then you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And as you can see, the icon from the watch face is gone, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And as well, if you go back to the quick panel, the icon will change the color. It will be grayed out, which means that the mode is disabled. It won't go back to the focus mode. Now it's going to be the mode that you used the last time, so previous time. So now it's Do Not Disturb mode, but if I enable the sleep mode and then disable it, it will say sleep mode. So it will basically show you the latest mode used. Okay. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.